Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I'm so much excited. We are in 2020. You're welcome. Thank you for all your support in 2019. Yes, we are moving forward. So today is a day I want to make this lobster seafood boil. This is lobster. Yeah, it's a very sweet fish. Then this is shrimp. I'm going to add shrimps. Then lemon. Then potatoes. Sausages. This is how I used to make it. So it's seasonal food. I don't eat this all the time. Corn, crayfish stock, let's get started. This is boiling water. I started by adding the crayfish stock. Lemon juice. Then start adding the potatoes. Then sausages. Then corn. Shrimps. Then cover it for 15 minutes. This is after 15 minutes. You can see it has started boiling a little again. So this is the time to add the lobster. Okay, making of the sauce. I use margarine, garlic and the onions, turmeric, ginger, black pepper, garlic and pepper, you can use any other oil, coconut oil, extra virgin oil, but I decided to use butter. Yeah, onions and fresh garlic. Fry it for some time. I added also lemon juice here. You can skip this place, but I wanted to add it. Turmeric, black pepper, ginger, powdered ginger, garlic and pepper, hot pepper, then I added tomatoes, allow to cook for some time. Aromat, you can see I didn't add salt because of this aromat. It contains salt. You can use any stock cube you have. Wow, see the seafood boiling. Look at it, it's boiling and it is done. Wow, it is ready. Come and join us here. Yes. Thank you for watching up to this period. Thank you so much. So if you're watching and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? in this new year. Subscribe. Yes, like this video, comment, and hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be informed. Okay? Ciao. And remain blessed. Happy New Year once again.